your trend line and just count out 12 bars to the left, right? 12, 12. All right. Come pour some sugar on me, honey, too. It's a real life boogie. And a real life, oh, that don't be it. So it looks like we got a 4-hour close here in 18 minutes. 4 hour, what's up, Tip? 4 hour is still looking bullish. This is a nice break above this level. We're just rejecting this top zone at this point. So we'll have to probably wait for after 9 p.m. I would say, for a trade here above this level. How are you today, Tip? What's up, Omar? What's happening? What's happening, Omar? Good morning, everyone. Good evening. Good afternoon. wherever you are in the world. So analysis today was, well, for pre-London session, it was for buys above here, 2161,590. You can see price here just, you know, breaking above this resistance, testing a support. You can see it broke above this resistance, 1, 2, 3, and then tested a support, 1, 2. So price is, you know, trending bullish. It's breaking and respecting levels. What's up, T? And I'm basically just expecting it to carry on doing that, right, above this level now. We've got some rejection here. It's resistance previously over to the left. So I want it to do the same here, right? Break and continue bullish above 2161,590, and then I'll look for some buys. But of course, we have to break that level. But yeah, gold on, you know, gold is just pushing right now, pushing. It does not look like it's stopping. So I mean, potential in here now, right? That price is creating a resistance. You can see like a resistance being formed. We've got one rejection, then a bearish candle, and then you see these bullish candles. You see how they closed with rejection wicks? They're very small volume candles. And then we have one more rejection wick and a bearish closure. So we really need to just wait and see now in 15 minutes, once the 9 p.m. candle closes. That will be a new 4-hour candle plus a new 12-hour candle. We'll have to just wait and see, you know, what happens here with this 12. Oh, sorry guys. What happens here with this 4? You can see this 4 is currently actually an inside bar candle. Hasn't broke the highs, hasn't broke the lows of the previous candle. So we've got an inside bar here. We want to see if this closes bullish. And we also want to see in 15 minutes how this 1-hour candle closes. Because if it pushes up here and then rejects, similar to these candles, this one, and even this one, and closes bearish perhaps, then there's a chance that, you know, we could potentially be seeing the pullback or, you know, the retracement for this huge move up. But of course, you know, that would have to break below this level right here for me to consider anything, any sales below this level. Cool. Right, so we have to clear this level and then we can look for sales below there. But as of right now, I'm only looking for buys above 2161,590. And now we wait. It's been a pretty hot day here today in Melbourne. Oh, Jesus Christ, why did it just bring up like 3 different... Are you talking about news in general, tech crypto, or are you talking about this news? Yo guys, look at this on, where is it here? Saturday and Sunday, bro. 37, Monday, 37. 3 days in a row, 37 degrees. Nah, bro. NFP. Are you talking about the high impact news in general? No. I won't trade it at all. Sometimes I won't even trade on that day where the news is. But generally, for example, NFP, I'll take a trade for pre-London, but I won't take any trades for New York. The closer it gets to NFP, then I won't trade. But on days like inflation and interest rate news, I don't trade at all. I won't even look at the charts that day. So it just depends on the news. But I never take a trade. Sorry? I never take a trade during high impact news. Never. If I'm in a trade, I'll get out of it, or I'll just try and stay clear of trading altogether within like 2 hours of when that news drops. But yeah, it's pretty you know, it's recommended. I would highly recommend staying away from trading news altogether, because 9 times out of 10 you're gonna end up losing money and making decisions that you're gonna regret. Trust me. The number one rule, and I always say this, the number one rule with trading, which a lot of new traders don't understand, is protecting your capital, right? The less trades you take, the more you are protecting your capital. And that should always be your number one goal when trading, is holding on to that money that you have and not blowing it and not making stupid decisions, not being silly, not being, you know, not having FOMO, or not being impulsive or over trading or emotional while you're trading. You should always be focused on protecting your money and protecting your capital at all costs. That is the number one most important thing in trading. You have trade level and momentum time. I'm not sure what you're asking there, Tech. You have trade level and momentum time. Are you asking if I trade during specific times? Hope gold will go to 2190. Jesus, that's a long way away. That's like 300 pips away, T. And you should never hope. You should never hope with trading. The market doesn't care about your hopes. The market doesn't care about your money, about your profits, about your hopes and dreams. You should always have a plan. Why do you want gold to go to 2190, T? What is that, a profit target that you have? Are you in a trade on gold right now? Till FOMC. When is FOMC? See, we got inflation data coming up next week. Inflation, NFP. So it's gonna be a big week for gold. I might just have to trade GJ next week without session. Are you trade? Are you asking me what sessions I trade? Tech? Which sessions I trade? Is that what you're asking? If so, I trade pre-London session and New York session. I don't trade Asian, don't trade London. I only trade pre-London. Like, it's like 2 hours before London, 2 hours into London, but that's it really. What? Man, I need a coffee or some shit, man. It's like 9 p.m. What's my age? I'm 31. 31, man. I'm old. You look too young. I'm 31, man. I have family. I have a daughter. I've been doing this. I've been trading almost 7 years now, I think. 6, 7 years. You think I look young? I think when I grow my hair, when I grow it, like when it gets longer, it makes me look younger. But when I shave all my hair off, I definitely look my age then. Yeah, so I'll look for tech. I'll look for my setups for pre-London, and then if there's no setups for pre-London, I'll just skip to New York session. I won't trade London. Then don't shave, yeah. Sometimes just hair just annoys me, you know. Like when it gets long, you have to wake up in the morning and like make sure it's like styled, or you know, because I have really thick hair. So if I sleep on it funny and I wake up, it's literally like an afro where it's everywhere. So I have to like style it and shit. Like sometimes I just can't be bothered. So I just shave it off. It's just so much better when you wake up. Same, yeah. It's so nice just waking up. Your head shaved. You don't have to worry about like styling it. You just walk out, put clothes on and walk out the door, you know. That's why most of the time now I just wear a hat. And I'll be damned if I can't slow dance with you. What is this? This was nevertheless. Which chart use? Which chart use? This is TradingView. What are you talking about? Time frame? Tech? Which time frame? How old is your daughter? She's 15 months, so 1 year, 3 months. Which time frame? So I use the weekly, the daily, the 4 hour, and the 1 hour. But you can see all the time frames I have up here. I do sometimes use these, like the 2 hour, the 8 hour, the 12 hour, 5 minute sometimes. But yeah, mainly my main time frames are the daily, the 4 hour, and the 1 hour. And I'll just look at the weekly, obviously once a week at the start of the week to see how the previous weekly candle has closed, and then what to expect from the new weekly candle, which we did on gold this week, which played out perfectly. I'm not sure what these levels are here. What did I do with these levels? What's this? Use the 30-minute. Nice. Yeah, full time. I do you know, I do the kind of education side of it as well, you know, like the VIP Telegram and things like that, YouTube videos, like, you know, it's kind of part of it, but it's separate. Any suggestions? I would say only using the 30-minute is very limiting. I think you're limiting yourself quite a lot. I think you should definitely look at, you know, the 1 hour and the 4 hour at least. And, you know, daily, I think daily is a must. And I think when people first start trading, they think about the daily and the weekly, as they think that's swing trading, or they think looking at the daily and the weekly means that, you know, they're gonna have to be in a trade for a long time, or like the time frame is too big. I don't know, like it's the misconception with the daily time frame. But literally all I do with the daily time frame is look at how the previous daily candle closed, right? And that's going to give you a good indication of where the current daily candle is going. For example, you can see here, we had a bearish candle closure, right? You can see right here, bearish candle closure. What happened the next day? The next day closed bearish. What happened the next day? The next day closed bearish, right? And so looking at the daily time frame and looking at the candles, the highs and lows, we can also see that there's a high, a low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, and a lower low, right? We can see, you know, I'm not on the daily time frame looking all the way over here at these levels, you know, going, oh, what happened over here? This was back in 2023. What happened? You know what I mean? I'm not bothered about any of that. All I'm looking at on the daily is current structure, right? Current structure. What is the current structure? What is the previous daily candle? It's bearish. There's lower highs, lower lows. For me, this current structure and trend is showing me, you know, sells, right? In here, in here, and in here. And generally, once you get a bullish or bearish candle closure, for example, right, we have a bullish candle closure here. What happens the next day? The next day continues bullish, right? Breaks the highs, continues bullish for like 80 pips. Then what happens this next day? It doesn't break the previous daily high, right? It closes bearish. So then this next day breaks that previous daily low, continues bearish. And this current day breaks previous daily low, continues bearish. So these are the things you need to be looking at on the daily time frame to kind of understand, okay, the current session. So for example, right now, today, what is my bias? And then you can go to the daily time frame. You can see, okay, yesterday's daily candle was bearish. We are currently making lower highs and lower lows. So my bias for today is going to be sells, right? I'm only going to look for sells based off of the daily time frame. So my advice and suggestion to you would be to definitely use the daily time frame, the 4-hour time frame as well. And, you know, either the 1 hour or the 30-minute, up to you, but I recommend the 1 hour. And then you can look for your entries maybe on the 30-minute. That's up to you. GJ, what's up, Summit? GJ, view short or long hourly. I'm just going to look at GJ right now, actually. Let's have a look. The US national debt is now growing by 1 trillion every 100 days. The uncontrolled debt could lead to a financial disaster, wreaking havoc. There's the closure. Wreaking havoc not only in the US, but yeah, 100%. BRIC and other developing countries are worried that US dollar debt could make their native economies crash. Keeping the US dollar in reserves is now seen. Yeah, I mean, I've been reading up about BRICS quite a lot, and it makes sense. It makes sense for those countries to do that. Why would a country like China, India, Brazil, you know, countries with huge economies, why would they want to rely on the US dollar? It makes no sense. They don't need to. Their economy is huge already. Smaller economies, smaller countries, fair enough, right? But China, India, Brazil, South Africa, these countries that have huge economies, there's no need for them to be relying on the US dollar like that. All right, so we have weekly highs here on GJ. So the previous weekly candle closed bearish, and just like what I explained, right? The previous weekly candle closed bearish over here. So what has happened this week? We've made a high wick and it's continued bearish. How simple is that? How simple is that? It's very simple, Cody. It's very simple. So yeah, weekly was bearish. We have created a lower high. You can see here we have a high. Now we have a lower high, a low, and a lower low, right? Very simple price action stuff. Go down to the daily. Well, I just went over the daily. We can very clearly see that the daily is bearish. It'll be interesting to see though, if this daily candle closes below 189045, that is the previous weekly low. We can also see it's, you know, a nice level of structure in here. So if the daily candle closes below here, then there's you know, a high possibility that price is going to come down into potentially these areas and below. although price is tapping into here. We'll have to wait and see about that. But daily, yeah, you know, daily previous highs and lows have already been broken. We've got a nice little resistance here, as you can see. If I just draw out this box, we've got a nice little support level right here. Why is this not changing color? Oh, why are you good? There we go. There we go. Yeah, so level in here, prices broke. Prices also broke the weekly lows, and this level in here could be pretty significant. If we go down to the 4 hour, the only problem with GJ today was the fact that it had a bullish pre-London candle closure. So there's not really anything I can do with that. There's no sales that I could have taken in there. But I mean, you can't ignore the fact that there is this key level to the left. The price is tapping into. 4 hour has closed below previous weekly lows, so that's huge. That's an indication that price could continue down. But again, if we just look to the left, take a look at this candle right here, the previous 4 hour candle for today. And then if we just go over here, take a look at this and take a look at this. Look at the spikes into these levels. 1 spike, 2 spike, right? Price just absolutely rocketed to the upside. Came in again, tapped, rejection. Price rocketed all the way up to the upside. So there's a chance that price could do that again. It is into this level. It is into this overall support level. Oh, that's why you're financially okay. That's why you're targeting that level. You're expecting gold to go up because of the US economy getting worse. Oh, yeah, okay, I understand. Fair enough. T, fair enough. Just shorted aligning with 15-minute time frame. GJ, okay. Your big, what's that? Your big capital number. What? Your I can't see that shit because of the heart. Your big capital number mean your trading account capital. Yeah. Yeah. Exactly. Exactly. So Summit shorted GJ aligning with 15-minute case. So yeah, I mean, what you have to look at is we've just had a 12-hour closure. So 12-hour candle also closing below previous weekly lows, 189045. Again, very key. I potentially would expect price to come up and tap into this area, up into that 189045 level potentially before it continues bearish. Who knows? But the fact that we've got a 12-hour closure, this is the half-day candle, so you get two 12-hour candles in one day. So the 12-hour time frame can be very significant, and this closing below this level could show us that GJ is going to be trending bearish today, right, for the rest of the day. If price breaks below this 12-hour low, we'll have to wait and see. But yeah, I would potentially anticipate price coming up into this level before potentially continuing bearish, but who knows? We'll have to wait and see. But GJ looks extremely bearish right now. Structure wise, of course, like we mentioned though, there's just this kind of level right here that we have to look out for. That's okay, Tech. Yeah, that's fine, bro. Just keep trying your best, and I'll try my best to understand what you're saying and help you out. But yeah, you know, I appreciate you being here, even though it's hard for you to understand English. You know, you're still trying. I like that. I like that a lot. Well, you know, just yeah. So 1 hour. Let's have a look at the 1 hour. Oh, you can see the 1 hour is he's already tapping into this level quite nicely. Look at that. I love that, man. I love that. I love that tech. You know, you're struggling, you know, you find it a bit hard to speak English and you can't speak it very well, but you're still here trying to learn. trying to understand Forex. I love that, man. I respect that a lot. No excuses, you know? No excuses. That's what Tech is saying to himself. There's no excuses for me not to learn Forex. Even though I don't understand English very well, I'm still going to try. That's the attitude you need to have if you want to be successful in this game. So, props to you, man. So in terms of a GJ trade, me personally, I would wait for like a closure under this level. That's me personally, right? That's me personally. Whatever you want to do, that's up to you. But what I would do is wait for a closure below here, because GJ is already showing rejection to this level, right? You can see rejection, bullish candle. So yeah, I think his Instagram is called XAUUSD or something like that. You went with daily 4-hour candle. Okay, yeah, fair enough. I mean, if that's what you see, Summit, like, stick with your analysis, be confident, and you know, I'm not, you know, it is what it is, man. I'm not saying it's bad to sell or it's bad to buy. I'm just saying, you know, generally what I would do. But I mean, it looks on the 4-hour daily, it does look, you know, like I said, it's closed below the previous weekly low. Daily, the only thing I would say about the daily is the fact that it has no top wick today, right? No top wick has been created here. So that's something as well, potentially. But I mean, could be just a break and retest of this level. You know, we don't know. Just have to wait and see, man. We just have to wait and see. But you did your analysis, and you know, if you think it's correct, then stick with it, my brother. Stick with it. Be confident. XAUUSD, I think his name is XAUUSD Tech on Instagram. XAUUSD or some shit. Ezra. Fuck, I don't know, man. Yeah, I can't find him either. I think he might have deleted his Instagram account or something. Yeah, I'm not sure, man. I'm not sure. But yeah, I can't find him either. But anyway, back to gold. Cody. You want around to me, get to me. Yeah, I should post this on my Instagram. Live on YouTube. Come through. Man, I'm losing my voice. I'm losing my voice from doing these live streams, man. How do I get my YouTube link now? I'm not used to speaking this much. Can you guys hear that music okay? Can Also, guys, if you don't mind, everyone in the stream, could you please just give the live stream a like? I'd appreciate it, man. I'd appreciate it. Nimbus, what's up? Lock-ish. Sir, at Telegram part entry price or SL. I'm not sure what you're saying there, Lockish. Entry price or SL. Oh, you can hear the music? That's good. Lakesh, I'm not sure what you're saying, bro. Can you say that again, please? Are you asked? He's saying, don't you give signal on Telegram? You don't send in Telegram entry price or SL. Which Telegram are you talking about, Lakesh? Are you talking about the VIP Telegram? Private. You talking about the VIP one? You talking about this one? Nah, I haven't had any trades yet, T. No trades today. I actually missed an entry. I was looking at like this move right here. But I wasn't at the charts when it happened, but I was looking for buys above 2152, 250. I was looking to capture like 10-15 pips above this level, and it actually ended up going like 93 pips. But yeah, I didn't capture it. Lakesh, if you're referring to this one, this isn't a signals channel. This is just where I post trade ideas, analysis. I post in here every day. But yeah, I don't post signals. I don't have a signals channel. It's just analysis, trade ideas, you know, giving you guys key levels in the market for that day. And I'll post in my Discord right here the exact example I'm looking for a setup. Right here, you can see the example right here. So a 1 hour closure above, and then you're looking for that next 1 hour candle to break the previous candle high, and that is where you would enter. Stops wherever you want, target whatever you want. I usually target 10, 15, 20 pips. Cody, bro, your old intraday trades is the best trades. Which ones are you talking about? Which pairs you trade the most? Gold. Gold T. I trade gold. I do trade GJ sometimes. Co. You can call me Co. You can call me Co. I do trade. Man, I'm talking too much, man. My throat's getting dry. I do trade GJ sometimes. For example, like we said earlier, there's a lot of news next week on gold, on USD pairs in general, right? So there's NFP, there's inflation. So next week could be a good week to trade GJ. Could be a good week to trade GJ next week. But right now I'm looking at gold. So Lakesh, this, right, so gold, right? So you see the levels on my chart right here. You see this top level 2161590. I'm looking for a buy, right? So all I'm gonna do, I'll give you a little example right here. If we zoom in, for example, this is what I'm looking for, right? So pretend this is a 1 hour candle. This is just an example over here. A 1 hour candle. So you want a 1 hour candle to close. You see this one? Close above 2161590. And then what you would do is you would measure 5 pips above that level right there, like that. You would put a buy stop right there. You would set your stop loss wherever you wanted to, right? And then you would target, you would do a 1-to-1, or you would look left. I think we're at all-time highs at this point, so there's no targets on gold to the left. So you're just gonna have to go with, you know, I don't know, like, you know, 10, 15, 20 pips, 1-to-1 maybe, whatever you want to do. Why is this messed up? There. All right. So this is what you're looking for. All right. And you want to target 10, 15, 20 pips. Get in, get out. Nice closure above this level. That's all you want. Get more water. My wife's asking me if I want tea. What do you think? Do you think I should have tea? Some tea with honey, you know, soothe my throat. Definitely. All right. Yeah, I said yes. Tea with honey, man. It's gonna be good for the throat, yeah. Something, you got 10 pips, bro, on GJ. That's nice, man. In this move down here. What was your entry? But let me give you guys, for you beautiful people right here who are in my stream and talking to me, let me give you a quick freebie right here, right? Or like, not freebie, but just a really good lesson in simplifying your trading. You go to the daily. And you mark out daily highs, right? So if I just go, actually, let me go to the 4 hour, and let me go over here and turn on multi-time period charts and turn on 1 day, right? So now we can see the daily candles here on the 4 hour time frame. So these green boxes are all daily candles. So what you want to do, for example, if this previous daily candle is bullish, right? So if we look in here, right, we can see that this daily candle is bullish. Let me just, this daily candle right here is bullish because we can see this green box. So this next day, straight away, what we're going to do is look for buys. But where are we going to look for buys? We're going to get this, we're going to go to the 4 hour time frame, and we're going to get this second 4 hour candle of the day. So you can see that's where the new day started. So we've got 1, 2, and you want this candle to close bullish to line up with the previous daily candle, right? So now we have a daily bullish candle. We have a for a pre-London 4 hour bullish candle. So now we've got confluence, right? The trend and the direction lining up. So then you can mark out this 4 hour high, right? Or you've also got this previous daily high over here, right? Which is this gray line. Let's just leave that gray line there. And then we go down to the 1 hour time frame, right? And now what we want to do is wait for a 1 hour closure above those levels, right? Because now we've got daily bullish candle, 4 hour pre-London 4 hour bullish candle, and then we want that 1 hour time frame to line up with those, the daily and the 4 hour, giving us a 1 hour closure above those levels, giving us indication that price is going to continue bullish. So here we go, for example, right here, this 1 hour candle closes above that 4 hour high. We take a trade once this next 1 hour candle breaks this candle high. Price drives up 40 pips, right? Nice 44 pip move right there. And then what else happens? Then the 1 hour candle comes up and closes above that previous daily high. And again, we take this candle once it breaks that previous candle high. Price drives up 80 pips, 160 pips, 260 pips, right? Did you see how simple and easy that was? And all we're doing is lining up the daily, the 4 hour, and you want to make sure that that pre-London 4 hour candle lines up, right? It has to be the pre-London 4 hour candle. Not the, you don't need to worry about any other 4 hour candle during the daily, just that pre-London 4 hour candle, which is the second 4 hour candle of the new day, the new trading session. And then you just want to go down to the 1 hour time frame, wait for a 1 hour closure above, take the trade once that next candle breaks that previous candle high, the breakout candle. Very simple. Price drives up 40 pips. And again, above the daily, price drives up 80 pips. Simple. Very, very simple. Now, that's not my whole strategy. That's not all of it, but that's the basics of it, right? You're lining up, and this is why I line up the weekly as well. I like to line up the weekly, the daily, the 4 hour, and the 1 hour time frame. Then take my trades on the 1 hour time frame. And it's a beautiful combination, man. It's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful combination. So that's a little something there for you guys if you wanted to look at that. 188,684 to 188,576. Okay, have a look. 188,684, 188,6. Somewhere in here, down, and you caught 10 pips. Nice, man. Nice little 10 pips from Summit. What I like to see. I'll try, bro, definitely. No worries. Thank you, Cody. No worries. Where's my tea at? Does anyone in here play any games like PC games like Call of Duty, FIFA, anything like that? I don't personally. I used to a few years ago, but I don't anymore. Kind of miss it though. Nah. Yeah, me neither. Come on, honey, too, with the real app, showdown. You don't have a PC? I ended up buying this gaming laptop. It's like really high specs. It's got like a 4090, really good hard drive and CPU. Like, it's insane. And I was gonna start gaming on it, but then I just never. And now I just use it for trading and it's really good for streaming actually, because you know, it's able to keep up with the demand of streaming But yeah, it's an insane PC. It's pretty insane in the membrane, I'm not gonna lie. What's the cost? It costs like $3,000, I think. Australian dollars, something like that. One sec, I'm just getting tea. Thanks, anybody. I don't get anybody. Neither. Hey. I got the T. No, not 33. 3,000. Jesus Christ, if there's a computer worth $30,000, holy. It's a Lenovo, what is it? It is a Lenovo Legion Profile. I mean, yeah, it is pretty expensive, but it's definitely worth it. It's definitely a good investment for what I'm like. I do a lot of work on my PC, so it's this computer here, but it's not loading. Yeah, this one. But mine actually has a better graphics card. Mine has a 4090 in it. Yeah, Legion. It's really nice, man. I really like it. Okay, T, no worries. Gold is yeah, it's doing the thing, man. It's doing the thing. Oh, what's everyone's favorite tea? What tea does everyone like to drink here in the chat? Where's my tea? Bro, you need to go get some tea. Green tea? Yeah, I like green tea. Doesn't green tea have like a little bit of caffeine in it though? Like I feel like whenever I have caffeine, I suppose most tea does actually. Whenever I have green tea, I feel like it wakes me up. Like it's a good tea to drink, like in the morning or like in midday or something. But over night time, I feel like it gives me a bit of an energy boost when I need to be getting ready for bed. It was a man, nevertheless. I don't know what to do with this Telegram channel. It's got 956 people in here, but like I don't know what to do with it. What could I do in this channel? Caffeine does, yeah. I swear caffeine doesn't work for me now. I've been drinking caffeine like since I was probably like 16. And I can drink like 2-3 coffees a day and I don't feel anything. Do you guys drink English breakfast tea? Or just it's like black tea with milk? When you're in the UK, yeah. Cup of tea. That's what I'm drinking right now. Just tea. But I've got honey in it. Tea, milk, and some honey, bro. There's nothing better in this world. Other than a coffee first thing in the morning. The indicator's kind of fire on the 1 hour time frame, eh? All that. Do you use correlation? No, I don't. Are you talking about what's it called now? The US index, the dollar index? Is that what you're talking about? Like using the dollar index as the confluence against the USD? If the XY, yeah, no, I don't do that. I did for a little bit. I used to, but nah, I don't anymore. Oh, you're not talking about that? Do you mean like other USD pairs? Or like other pound pairs? Oh God. I only really focus on gold. I just focus on what gold is doing and I find that way I can be a lot more precise in my decision making and be confident with it, rather than, for example, doing some analysis on gold and coming to the conclusion that today, for example, I'm looking for buys, and then I could go to like the DXY or another USD pair and use it as like correlation, and for example go to USD CAD or USD JPY, and then you could see the complete opposite there, or you know, something very different, and then you start questioning yourself like, oh, if USD JPY is doing this and gold's doing this, like, I don't know. Yeah, no, I don't do that, Summit. I feel like personally that there's no need to do that really. It just creates confusion. Yeah, if they all go the same road, then there's no point looking at all of them. Just look at one of them, you know? What's up, Joseph? Yeah, for me, Summit, when because I used to do it, right? I used to look at gold, and then I used to look at the DXY correlation and things like that. And I just feel like it caused more confusion, and it caused me to second guess myself too much. So I just focus on just gold alone now. I don't try and look at any of the pairs. I've got positions opened at 2130. After making on the rise, I thought it should drop. I've got after making 5%. So Joseph, are you saying that you went long? You made 5%? After making 5% on the rise, I thought, but now it's square size. So you made 5% on the rise. Are you open to short? Okay. 2130. Two one three zero, right here. So you shorted over here, like in this level. After I made, okay, so you bought this move up here. You bought this move up. You was in buys, made 5% over here, and then thought that it's gonna start retracing, and so you went short, yeah. Okay. I mean, my thoughts on that would be that you should always just follow the current trend, which you did in the first place, and you made money, right? And until you see a significant change in the market, i.e. a key level getting broken. So for me, I would say right now, there's no need to be like looking for shorts, right? Until you start to see these support levels, see these levels right here get broken, and then come down here, this gets broken, and then you can start looking at shorts. But your initial analysis and your initial, you know, trade is why you was correct, and that's why you made money, because price is in an uptrend, price is trending bullish. The weekly, the daily, the 4 hour is all bullish. Everything on gold right now is bullish. And so the mistake you made was trying to call the top, trying to capture a short on a retracement whenever that's going to happen, when in fact you should have just looked at more buys to continue buying it, right? So are you still in the short? What did someone say? A good mastering one instrument is better than blah blah. Bring out £500. So what's the percentage on that? What percentage are you down? So you made 5%, but what percentage are you currently down? For reference. Okay. So that's a little more than 5%, all right? So you're down a little more than 5%. So what's your game plan from here now, Joseph? What are you gonna do to manage this trade now? What's the plan? Let me hear it. I mean, surely it has to drop. To be honest, let's take a look at the weekly. First of all, actually, let's take a look at the monthly. Monthly is going crazy, right? And it's only the start of the month. I'm from the UK originally. I'm from Birmingham, but I'm in Australia. I live in Australia now. You see, the problem with gold, well, it's not a problem, but the thing with gold is right now is that it's at all-time highs, right? So, oh, you're in Leicester. Shit, man. That's close. We were practically neighbors, brother. Yeah, the issue with gold right now is it's at all-time highs. So there's no way of seeing where gold could go to right now. There's no levels above, there's only levels below. So I'm surprised you can still hear it, man. Like, living in Australia, all I ever hear, like, people over here, you know, obviously can tell that I have an English accent, but when I speak to my family back in Birmingham, they say I've got an Australian accent. They say I don't sound Brummy at all. How long have you been there? In Australia, like, I think 7, 8 years. 8 years, I think. I mean, whichever way you look at gold, it's extremely bullish right now. So, and there's no key levels that we can anticipate that price is going to reject from and come down. So I would say the best bet you have is waiting for a daily candle closure, because right now, if we take a look, you know, we've got from down here, the 28th of Feb, all we have is higher lows, 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 right? Price is in a very strong uptrend. So what you would maybe want to see is at some point a bearish daily candle or structure being broken. So one of these higher lows being broken, right? And then that could signify that now there's potentially a retracement on. But as long as we're just getting bullish candle closures and it's creating higher highs and higher lows on the daily time frame, then, you know, I'm just going to be looking for buying opportunities at that point. Like, I'm not going to be trying to short anything anytime soon until we have a daily bearish closure and daily break of structure of one of these higher low levels. Because I also caught this move up as well. I've been buying this whole move up based off the weekly. You could tell what was going to happen with gold this week from the weekly time frame, and I already sent this out, like, and spoke to, like, the members and things like that. And I also spoke to you guys here in the live stream since Monday or whenever I was streaming, saying that all I'm looking for on gold this week is buys, and gold is extremely bullish, and it played out perfectly. Multiple buys on gold this week. How long have you been trading for, Joseph? Have you got a trading channel? I have, yeah. I mean, you can find the links down below, but, you know, I live stream on YouTube anyway, so, you know, anything that I teach or have in my private, you're going to learn it here eventually anyway. Under a month. Wow. How did you learn about like Forex? Where did you first get into it? It's always an interesting question. Like, I can't really remember how I got into Forex. It's been that long. I actually can't remember the exact when I first exactly saw like Forex trading, or so I'm always interested to see what other people's experiences. But man, you've got a long journey ahead of you, man. You've got a long journey ahead of you. Trust me, I've been trading like 7 years from when I first started, and it is a long journey, but it's 100% worth it. I read a book from Andrew Aziz, Quit the Day Job. Oh yeah, Andrew Aziz. I don't think I've read that book. What is it? Quit. Man, I've got terrible eyes. I need to get glasses or something. Like, my eyes are going blurry and shit. It might be because of this fucking hella bright light that I've got right here. Aziz. I'll have to have a look at that. Oh, you read the book, then quit the day job. What, you quit your job? Was an estate agent for 3 years. Oh, wow. That's a pretty decent job. So what's your plans now? What is your plan with trading now that you've quit your job? Do you have some nice savings? Do you have some like decent amount of money in the bank? And I would recommend not using any of that money for trading right now, because I promise you, you're gonna blow it. You're gonna blow that money. I think when I first started trading, like a year in, I think I blew like a 10k count. Probably more. I know one of the counts was like around 10k. Then I can't remember all the other accounts that I had. 30k liquid saving, 80k in cars and assets. Yeah. Well, I mean, as long as if you have the right guidance and education, then that's going to limit the amount of money that you will lose. But I can almost guarantee you're going to lose a lot of that money. So I would suggest maybe starting with like £100 account and just learn what it's like trading with your money and real money. And because once those emotions start coming, you're gonna meet a whole side of yourself that you never knew existed. You will go into battle with yourself over these next couple of years, bro. Trust me, it's gonna be rough. What education would you recommend? So hard. Like, I can't really recommend anything because I don't really know anything about you, and I don't know your personality or like characteristics. And of course, you're still only a month in, so I don't think you've kind of got to grips with what kind of trader you want to be, whether you want to be more of a swing trader or a scalper, day trader. And that just comes with you testing all of them and seeing which one you find suits you better. But yeah, welcome back T. But I would say more than anything is guidance, right? Guidance and like, I hate saying the word mentorship, but like a mentor, somebody, for example, like you coming to these streams and chatting with me. I've been doing this for 7 years. I can give you some kind of guidance, you know. I'm not going to sit here and say I can be your mentor or, you know, like I'm anyone special, because I'm somebody on my journey just the same as you. I've been doing it obviously a lot longer, so I have more experience in it, and I can kind of guide you, you know, in the right path as much as I can. But yeah, finding somebody or finding multiple people who have been doing this a long time, and you know, asking all the questions that need to be asked about everything, and you know, when you're stuck or confused or something like that, is going to help you tremendously, because I didn't have any of that, and now that I look back, I wish I would have. And I think my journey to like profitability and my journey in general as a trader and understanding myself would have been a lot smoother and a lot quicker, but it is what it is. I think having guidance and a mentor is one of the most underrated aspects of getting into trading, because obviously the whole stigma around that whole mentorship and mentor and courses and stuff like that in trading is very you know, it's crazy. There's people out there pretending to be mentors and selling courses and stuff who generally have no idea about trading, and they're just looking to take your money basically. So yeah. Ever tried funded accounts? Funny story actually. When I was streaming just before Christmas, before I moved house and everything, I was gonna do like a YouTube series about me purchasing a funded account and trading it and seeing what happens, for some YouTube content. And the company that I did like heaps of research, right? And I did it all live on YouTube, like, and some of the members were helping me out as well. Some of the people in chat, like Nimbus and I think Summit as well, or some of the other guys that were helping me out with which companies to go for. And I ended up going with what was it, True Forex Funds or My Forex Funds or something like that. And then literally I was about to purchase a funded account, and literally like a couple of days later, that company came out saying that, like, I don't know, like they'd been doing some dodgy shit and they had to close down. They wasn't accepting any new clients and all that kind of shit. Like all the accounts got terminated and blah blah blah. And I was like, holy shit! I was literally just about to buy an account for them. So after that, I was like, I can't be bothered anymore. Funded accounts just seem dodgy to me, like seem a bit sketchy. I don't know. I don't trust them. Has anyone here actually had a good experience with funded accounts? Like who here in the chat has withdrew money from a funded account before? Like actual withdrew money, it's in their bank account, legit. Because now I have to start all over again and fucking research which is the best one, which has the, you know, the least amount of limitations, which is the most trusted, blah blah blah. Like it took me ages. I think it took me like a few weeks to find that specific account and funding company that I wanted. I'm guessing nobody in chat has actually withdrew profits from a funded account before. Yo, Joseph joining the free Telegram. Let's go, bro. I did, but it's on my private funds, which closed down. Oh, did they close down as well? Oh no, that was that one, yeah, MFF. Oh, so you did actually withdraw funds, Nimbus, like actually into your bank account. They just ran away with my 10k account. Holy shit, who? My Forex funds? T? No way they did that, man. Weather alert? What is this? Severe weather warning. Uh-oh. We're fucked. Heatwave warning for Victoria issued. Heatwave. We got a heatwave incoming, boys. Severe weather warning. Shit. MFF? Oh shit, yeah. See, man, lucky. Lucky I didn't buy one. I would have been so pissed off, man. Imagine that. Took weeks of research and grinding and, you know, trying to find the correct account, buy it, just about to start trading it, then boom, disappeared. Will it affect gold? It could. It could melt all the gold, man, and then fuck, it's just gonna decrease. The price is gonna decrease. You know, this is what it's like living in Australia, though, especially in Melbourne, right? One day it's like 37 degrees, and then the next morning it will be like 7 degrees, like freezing frost on the car window, and then throughout the day it will go back up to like 30 degrees, 32 degrees, and then the next day it will drop to like 12 degrees, and then it will go back up to like 30 something degrees. Like living in Australia with the weather at this time, especially in Melbourne, it's crazy. It's just like hot, cold, hot, cold, hot, cold. But it's not like warm cold. It's like extremely hot, very cold, extremely hot, very cold. My friend deal with funded next, and he withdrew USD always. Funded next, okay. I think I've looked at this one before. Funded next. Oops. Hello? What the? Yeah, what is happening? Okay. Down. Let's have a look. Funded next. Models. Here we go. Wait. What kind of service is this, Omar? Models? No. Let's have a look. Our funds, traders, accomplishments. Okay. Let's have a look. So where here we go. Challenge 2. Evaluation express that. What's this? Stella. Okay, express. Challenge type 2, challenge type 3 to prove your trading ability in 2 phases. Okay, not interested in that. The goal is to hit an ambitious profit target with no time limit. Once you achieve the target, you will start trading on with a 60%. 60%, bruh. The profit split percentage can be increased all up to 90% based on your performance. You can already boost to an impressive 95% right from the beginning by choosing the exclusive add-on feature. What? Let me guess, that's an extra like $300. Enjoy up to 90% profit split with the funded next account open. Reach 25% growth at any time, even with 10 trading days. In this model, the rules are simpler compared to other challenge types. Your goal is to hit a specific profit target with no time limit. Okay, I like that. Once achieved, you'll move to the funded next account with an initial 80% profit share. Enjoy 90% profit share with a scale-up program at funded next, and boost it to an impressive 90% right at the beginning by choosing it to benefit low profit target and no time limit, but minimal trading requirements to reach the next phase and achieve up to 9% profit. But minimal trading requirements. Minimal. What does that mean? Where can I see? Okay, here it is. What's this? Okay, yeah. So Stellar challenge. Let's have a look. 1 step. So how much is $65? Okay. Minimum trading days 2. Okay, I don't want minimum trading days. I hate that. I feel like that's too much pressure. 5 minimum traders. So wait, no, where's minimum trading days? 10. Wait, where's that? Where's Stellar? Oh, Stellar. Wow, I'm confused. I thought it said no minimum trading days. Stellar is best. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at. Stellar seems pretty good. But why this says right here no time limit? Oh, so time limit and minimum trading days is different. Okay, so no time limit. Okay, evaluation, time limit. Oh, okay, so these ones have, okay, fair enough. Express time limit, no time limit. 10 minimum trading days. Okay. Profit target 25%. Profit target 8%. That's step 2 though. 8%, 5%. Why? It's okay. What's this? $59. 1 step is 65. I mean, this looks pretty good. I'll probably go for, what's it? 200k, 50k. Actually, you know what? I'll just start off with this one because I've never done one before. So I need to make sure that I fucking understand it. Leverage free per lot. 2 minimum trading days. I don't like that though. 2 minimum trading days. But sometimes I don't trade for like a whole week. True for what's that one? What's that one? T. So bro, what's in the private Telegram compared to the free one? In the private, so this is the private one here. This is where I just I basically just post all my analysis. Like I don't really post anything in the free Telegram apart from just like results and, you know, YouTube, some videos. But yeah, I still need to figure out what I want to post in the free Telegram. But in the VIP one, it's basically just yeah, me just going over trade ideas, key levels, what kind of trade I'm looking at for pre-London. You can see pre-London here. This was today. Just going over the trades that I'm looking at. What basically is going on, gang? You can't even see me, but yeah. But you know what? Where are you? Joseph, here you are. Oh, what's up, Joseph? Sorry, I don't mean to put your picture out there like that. My bad. I will add you. Add to contacts. Wait, add to contacts. And then I will add you in. Where are we? Here you are. There you are. You're added in to the VIP, Joseph, because you've been a very nice person and you're new to trading, and I feel like, you know, why not? Account fees. What's this? The funded trader. Okay, the funded trader. I think those minimum trading days. Oh, and of course you're from Leicester as well, so you know we gotta look out for each other, bro. I think those minimum trading days are just requirements to pass, meaning you need to at least that many days of trading worth pass. You can easily open because some people don't pass on it. Okay, so I have no time limit, but in that time limit, I have to have traded at least twice, right? Is that what that means, Nimbus? Is that what you're saying? I would have had to open at least 2 trades, yeah, during that period that I pass, if I pass. But Joseph, people in the VIP, they would know they have access, or most of them have access to the academy, which is the educational content. So they would know how to enter the trades that I post in the VIP Telegram. But all it is basically the levels that I give you, the levels that I give in that VIP Telegram when I do the videos, is basically, for example, if we look at a trade that I took, let's try and have a look right here. If all the week no trade, you can open a one and close it, and you just, oh yeah. Okay. Okay, I understand. Yeah, I get that. Where was that now? This one. So for example, Joseph, whenever I post these levels, so for example, if this was a level right here, which was a level that I gave in the VIP Telegram, I think this was on Tuesday. All you're looking for, so you'll stay, when I give you these levels, you will stay on the 1 hour time frame, and you'll wait for a 1 hour closure above, right? So if I, for example, if I gave this level right here, 2119.815, that all you'd wait for is a 1 hour closure above it, right? Like you have here, and then you can enter once price breaks this high, right? So the candle closure, this one right here, you want this next candle to come up and break that previous candle high by 5 pips, and then you can have a nice move. You can put your stops down here somewhere, you go for a 1-to-1, or you can look to capture, you know, 20, 25, 30 pips, whatever. But yeah, then you would get that move up like this, right? Boom, boom, right? And that's the trade I'm looking for, the breakout trade of these levels. So that's all it is pretty much, in a nutshell. And if I find the other one that we took, was that the one I just did, or was it that one? I can't remember. Is it this one? Is it either this one? Let me have a look at that. I can't remember what trades I took now. Yeah, this one. So this was also a level I gave out right here. This key level in the market. And more specifically, the actual line of it right here. So 2083.525. So you can see this 1 hour candle comes up during this session, right? Closes above it just about, right? You can see that this 1 hour candle closes above that level. And then again, you will take the trade once this next 1 hour candle breaks this candle high. So you can see the high right here by 5 pips. So you would put, what I generally do is put a buy stop 5 pips above that breakout candle high, like this, right? And then I would target, like, you know, that potential next level like that, the previous like level of resistance over here, which is around about 38-39 pips. So when I'm giving out those levels in the VIP Discord, people who are in the academy and have done the educational content, they know how to enter those trades. Once you achieve your target, then or rest 5 days you can open. And then, oh, okay, just to prove that you are active in the account and not using any bot to trade. Oh, okay, fair enough. Yeah, that makes sense. Well, this sounds like a good option then. Which one was it? This one? Is it Stellar? Yeah, Stellar. One step. So, is it 2 step? Yeah, 2 steps more. What's this? Phase 15. Profit share from challenge price. Okay, so 10%, maximum daily loss 3%, maximum overall loss 6%, balance based, no time limit, minimum of 2 trading days, news trading, weekend holding, first payout 5 days, trade copiers, reset account, refundable fee. Okay, this seems like a good option, no? What is it again? Stellar. Stellar challenge. 1 step. Swap account. What are the spreads like though? That's what I need to know. Because spreads are very important for me. Oh, here we go. Spread. Oh, sick. All right, let me just log in right here and check. Let me check the spreads real quick. Yeah, I'll do that now, T. Let's compare it. What is it? Server. What's the server called? Funded next. Funded next. Would that be a demo account? I'm pretty sure it's not going to be a live account, is it? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Password @FN 2024 star. I think it's, yeah, it should be a demo account, not a real account. Demo, right? Shortly. Wait, what's this? Real account. Register real account. Wait, I don't want to register. I just want to log in to this shit. What's this? MT5. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 6. Because, yeah, spread is actually very important for me and my trading style. If a broker has high spreads or even just normal spreads, it's gonna fuck me in my trading. Like, it's gonna be bad for me. Holy shit. Let's have a look. XAUUSD. Let's have a look at the spread. Oh, that spread's quite high. I'm not sure about that. Let's have a look on my broker. Less than a pip. Less than a pip. Barely even a pip, man. It's almost 0 pips on my broker. But on the funded next, it's like 2 pips. See, that's gonna fuck with me a lot. 2 pip spread is high for me. That's high as shit, man. All right, what's this one you wanted to check? See, gold is coming down. So who was it? Who had sales open? It was you, Joseph, right? You had sales open, yeah? I mean, it's got a long way to come until it comes down to 2130, but 2-1. 3-4, long way, yeah. But you never know, man. With this news here, Fed chair, Powell testimony, and New York session open. If price does want to turn bearish from here, you could see a very sharp move back into this level. Easy. Gold does this all the time. High volume moves. Peak. All right. What did you want to check out? T. The Forex. The funded trader. Yo, I'm in all caps, yo. I'm like shouting at Google right now. The funded trader. Damn, if I can slow dance with you, and some honey too. I mean, those spreads are kind of. I mean, it's sitting at around like 2 pip spreads. I don't like that. That's whack. I need like 0 pip spread, or at least below 1 pip. This is not even moving. It's literally just stuck on like 2 pips. Wait. Access Server India. Is this an Indian company? Funded next. Lay your cards down. Not that I have a problem with that. I'm just hope so. Going to sign up to your academy now so I can learn from your group. Just chill, Joseph. Chill. Trust me, bro. I got you, man. Don't worry about it. Oh, it's Emmy Martinez. Is this a real picture? What the fuck? Yeah, I saw that. Mostly in America, yeah.
Hola, I'm Emmy Martinez, Argentinian World Cup winning goalkeeper, and today I'm visiting FounderNet, a platform for traders to prove the skills.
Today we have someone with us who needs absolutely no introduction. The man, the myth, the absolute legend himself, Emiliano Martinez.
What the fuck? Why
who not only helped Messi.
Why have they got Emmy Martinez? Like, this is so random. What the fuck?
I think it's part of my life. Unless my heart.
Respect to the journey of a trader as well. That's incredible to hear. So Emmy, today the world knows you as the World Cup winning goalkeeper, Emmy Martinez, right? So now the full world knows you, but I'm quite sure the journey has not been easy. So you had to face.
That's so random. Why Emmy Martinez of all people? They must have paid him a lot of money. The funded trader. United States citizens and nationals may only purchase and use the services offered on the DXT. Oh, so they've gone to DXT. So it's MetaTrader that they can't use anymore. Endorsement, yeah. I know it's an endorsement, but it's just a weird person. Like, why Emmy Martinez of all people? It's just weird. So DX Trade. I actually really want to try DX Trade out. It looks good. Customers migrated from other platforms can access the DX credential via dashboard. Okay, right, let's have a look. Holy shit! You see, this is what annoys me about funded accounts. Like, why is there so many, bro? My gosh, there's 5 different things to choose from. Rapid. I like the sound of rapid. Unlimited. 0. So you don't get, you get what the fuck? You get unlimited trading period. You get 0 minimum days. Virtual profit target 8%. Maximum loss 8%. Holy shit, maximum loss 8%. Maximum day, that's 5%. That's quite big, man. Jesus. Weekend holding, yes. Virtual profit split. No, what does that mean? Oh, because these are the evaluation accounts. First withdrawals bonus. Free. Right, someone just tell me which is the best account here. I can't be bothered reading all this. Summarizing here. Okay. One phase challenge. We aim to provide the best challenges. You only need to pass one phase and become funded. This is the best priced one-step challenge in the industry. So that's the night challenge. 7 days to first payout. You can reach a payout in as little as 10 days with this challenge. If speed is important to you, then this is the challenge for you. Wait, it says 7 days and then it says 10 days here. No limits and EAs allowed. We do not aim to limit you in this challenge type. Use the EAs you like and do not worry about breaking any of the lot size limits. Jesus. Unlimited simulate trading days. Take advantage of the additional drawdown purchasing add-on. EAs for like 14 days for first payout. Balance-based drawdown. Best drawdowns. Simulate. I don't know. I don't know. Dragon egg program. What the fuck? For the dragon challenge, which creates the opportunity to scale daily drawdown to funded speed. Each phase has 0 minimum trading days. I don't know. I don't know. This is too much for me to choose from right now. Rapid. Where's the price? Is that the price? That's the first withdrawal bonus. That's not the price, is it? Oh shit, look, they got this. So what? Oh, regular risk. What does this mean? Swing? Regular? I guess regular. DX trade. Request a demo. What do you mean request a demo? So is this the same as MT5 or MetaTrader in general, where your broker has to offer this and then you sign up? Or do you just download this and like, I'm guessing your broker has to offer it, right? In swing, you can hold positions overnight regularly. Oh, okay, yeah, I don't care about that. Like, where's the price though? Is this the price? This is first withdrawal bonus. Is that just the price? How much do you cost, brother?
The rapid challenge is the
The fuck, man. Press on buy option once. All right, let's have a look. 25k. What happened? 50k. 10k. What happened? Can you not get that account size for? Oh, platform C Trader or DX Trader. Okay, so yeah, the broker has to offer it. So where did the price go, my bro? What happened? What is happening over here? Where's the price gone? Okay, there we go. Rapid. Let's go back. $900. Okay. 25k DX trade. Void market regular. So would this be? Would this be similar? Would this be the most like in comparison? Which would be the equivalent to the Stellar unfunded next? Which would be the equivalent? Would that be Rapid? I think it would be, right? The UI for this site looks like you're playing Neopets or something. I know, bro. It's like, I get what they're trying to do. It's kind of cool, but sometimes all you need is simplicity. It's probably different for each broker. My prop firm only has a web-based variant, and it kind of says, "Oh shit, really?" So it doesn't have like an app Nimbus like DX Trade or C Trader or something. That kind of sucks. They added one more phase. Yeah, bro, they've got too many, man. Like this is just stressful to look at. Like this is hella stressful to look at, man. Too much. I don't do well with options, man. I do not do well with options. I need like, boom, this is the best. This is what you should do. That's the kind of person I am. When I've got options, I just crumble, man. I just fall to pieces. Go back to Rapid. Go back. Why wouldn't it go back to Rapid? I don't know about this site, man. This site seems laggy. All right, so I have to look at those. I'll have a proper look when I'm off stream, so I can focus a bit more on what exactly is the difference or which is the better account. But yeah, I appreciate you guys, man. I can always count on you guys to give me the best funded firms. I still think I like this one. This one just seems... You see this website right here? This is a very clear website. I like this website, right? It has 3 options. It's very clear right here. Boom. Profit target, daily loss, time limit, minimum trading days. Like, this is very straightforward and to the point and clear. Whereas when I look at this, bro, I don't know what the I'm looking at right here, right? There's just so much shit. There's 5 different accounts to choose from. Swing or regular, account size. Like, bro, there's so much going on here, man. But yeah, I'll have a look. Do a good research. Yeah, I will. I really like this one though, for the index. But oh yeah, but I forgot they have high spreads. So how do I check? Can I check the spreads of this one? Is there a spread checker? 50% off. Wait, what is this? Code. Oh, 5K and 10K challenges. What's this? Oh, so they use... Wait, no, that's them as well. So what do these guys use? What platforms do they use? Do I just use... Oh no, they use MT5 because I fucking checked their spreads. I'm so fucking stupid. I'm actually tired right now, so like I'm not fucking thinking properly. Okay. Yeah, I'll have a look. $18,000 reviews. Holy shit, man. 18,300 people have bought accounts from the funded trader. That's crazy. Yes, there are big problems between them due to their migration to DX trade. I'm not sure why they moved. Hello, Lars Neiman. Have you not seen what's happening in the Forex world right now? They moved because MetaTrader is getting fucked by the United States, basically. I got today my payout. The company was always the top one. They are facing difficulties that were caused to them not by. Okay. Why can't I read this whole review? Oh. It's just like cutting it off after like half of it. Okay, let me bookmark this. Bookmark added. Very nice. And I'll have a look at those for sure. Gold, doing nothing still. DJ, playing around still. So yeah, not much we can do here. Not much we can do. I was definitely looking at buys on gold above here, but that's not going to happen, is it? Why is this taking so long to load? Here we go. Make TFT great again. I'm still waiting for my payout since 23rd of February. I'm giving 5 stars because I respect this prop from multiple previous payouts, and I believe they will overcome problems with moving to new platform and be able to become the best prop again. Okay. Okay. You should always look at reviews. Don't go negative for a few days of their bad time. I'm first time here, purchased C-Trader Royal account. Didn't get my account details, but after 4 days got one reply that you please submit your crypto payment investigation. So submit now, wait for the response. They have downtime because of server issues. Okay, so right now it seems like the funded trader is having problems because they've had to move their servers to DX trade because of everything that's happening with MetaTrader. So I would say for that reason, I'll stay away from this one for a little bit until these problems get sorted, because it seems like everyone is mentioning the problem that they are moving servers and stuff. Since the transition from MT5 to DX Trader, things have not worked, you see. Yeah. So I'm probably going to stay away from the funded trader for a while until they figure out DX Trader. See, everyone's mentioning, look, another one. That's 3 people in a row that have mentioned it. Migration to DX Trader has been poor, accounts breached, but the team stood and delivered. Once gold break 2152, then 2145, 2152. Yep. I wouldn't necessarily be looking at sales though, unless we get a 4-hour candle closure, and that's not until another 2 hours. So if we're gonna take sales, we need to see like a 4-hour bearish candle closure and potentially like breaking this previous 4-hour candle low. Then I would potentially take sales, but right now I'm not gonna do that. I don't think it's fair to write a 1. I think 1 star, like anyone that's common sense. Yeah, everyone's not having a good time at the moment. They are not having a good time at the moment since the move to DX trade. So yeah, I'm gonna stay away from this right now. Was mad about the downtime for DX. Was mad about the downside for this trade, but I'm happy that I worked hard to resolve it and put my account right. It took a few days, but I know they had. I'm glad I can trust them to be honest to take accountability for the errors and get them fixed. Bad. Live support. Yeah, so yeah, a DX trade. Yeah, we're gonna stay away from the funded trader for a little while. Let's try funded next. Let's try funded next. I got no water left. Oh, UAE. Okay, UAE. They're in the UAE. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. The facts that he said, you would think I'm paid to write this review, and I'm not, makes me think that he, in fact, is being paid to write this review. I still failed to pass the account. I think that Funny Next does its duties properly. One of which is the fair distribution of profits, and they have extremely strong support and updating their website a lot. Overall, I trust. I mean, it seems like, okay, here we go. There we go. That's what I was looking for. They're not paying a trader and making up the copy trade rule. Even the trader who entered the trade first were claimed to copy trade. After I tell people what they actually do to trader, they block me from Discord and delete all the message and try to whitewash their company. The fuck? If you think I'm buying a challenge with, this pro scam, please don't. I got funded, and as soon as I reach the minimum payout requirement, which is 5%, they send me a letter saying that I was copy trading or using signals, which I've never used in my life. I told them that I would record myself trading to prove that I'm not copying. They did the same thing to a friend of mine, banned him from their Discord, never got paid. Just be aware, do not. Shit. So that's actually, that story lines up, because that other person who left the 1-star review, this guy right here, said that they accused him of copy trading, right? They making up the copy trading rule. So they're saying that he was copy trading and blocked his account, and then this guy said the same thing. So this guy made the profit levels, and then they accused him of copy trading, and so they failed him. That's interesting. When I tried to do my 1,000, they accused me of copy trade or the trader. So it seems like everyone who tries to withdraw profits so far from the reviews have said that they've accused them of copy trading. Spread. Interesting. So it seems if there's actually a profitable trader who's making money, they ban them or fail them and block their account and say that they're copy trading. They robbed me. It's called slippage. I have a big account where I can really damage them, and they did dirty to me to benefit them and get me down. See, that's why I would never buy I would never spend like hundreds of dollars on an account, because if you actually know how to trade and you get like huge profit, they're gonna do whatever they can to not let you get that, for sure. I've been in two phase challenge since the beginning of the year. I just passed phase 2 and now I get emailed that I use a signal or copier service, and 11% of my trades are similar to somebody else's. I'm a manual trader and I only use my own analysis to make trades. Why is it that this came up after I've passed phase 2 and never doing phase 1? If that were the case, I'm not pleased. Again, another person who's passing the challenge is making profit, getting accused of copy trading. Seems to be some sort of pattern here, right? But step 2, they accused me of copy trading another person and hyperactivity with no reason. I was stressed out about the warning, so that's why I couldn't trade in my own way anymore. Eventually, they closed my account. It's unfortunate I'm writing the negative review. I did the Stellar 1-step challenge. When I passed the challenge, I had my live account I generated over 61,000 in profit. Keep in mind, I purchased the account with the 95% lifetime guarantee. When I request my payout, they put my payout on hold and then sent me an email accusing me of copying trades and stating that 25% of my trades were like another trader's. They then attached an image of a spreadsheet that was so obviously doctored. Now they are telling me that they will only pay me out 25% of my profits. This is further from the truth. This is wrong, disgusting, and unethical. If anyone has also experienced this, please email me at big companies like Funny Next cannot get away with doing this to traders who want nothing more than to trade and make a living. Over 2,500 with this company have been wasted from my pocket. Whoever is reading this, please do not make the same mistake. So another person who's made profit tries to withdraw and they accuse them of copy trading. They closed my Bitcoin position today just when they were going into profit on a 66,000 account. They posted a withdrawal of 2,000 in my live account and closed my account at the same time, while my floating profit was 23. I spoke to Jonathan Market at Bucket and Grace. They say it was trading cycle end and they did a payout from my live positions. Since when payouts are done on running positions? Now, how many people have done this to until now? Oh my god, there's so many. Let me check for the last 2 months. So they're accusing him of copying trades again. Look on this one as well. I've been trading for the last 2 months and passed both challenges and was waiting for my KYC to be verified. And they replied to me, I have 10% similarity with one else's trades. Total garbage. I have 494 trades opened in total during the challenge. Of course, I'll match someone else's trades. Anyway, they didn't want to fund the account. They terminated my account and they said, as gesture of goodwill, we will refund you the challenge fees. Be careful of this prop. Jesus. From a trader, such as accusing similarity of your trades with some on a trader might be inside job or pure makeup. Evidence citing that you are using an account passing your service, copying, trading, or even signal services. Then when you are able to support your standpoint, they look for other ways and actually just cut down your payment as a gesture of goodwill. Very, very disappointed with them. Total scam platform. Stay away if you could. Trust me, I am funded 300k with them and have near to nothing left. Jesus. Okay, none of them. Okay, this doesn't seem good. Oh god, now I don't know. Now I don't know. Reviews don't look good, boys. Reviews do not look good. I'll be damned if I can't slow dance with you. Come put some honey on me liquor too. But anyway, boys, I am gonna head out. I'm exhausted. It's been a good chat. It's been a good stream. We didn't capture any trades. I was waiting for buys above 2161.590 here to capture a little trade, but nothing has happened so far. Before I go, I want to leave you guys with a little something, and basically what I want you to do here is go onto the 4-hour time frame, right? I want you to get your sessions indicator, and I want you to have a look at this 4-hour candle right here, right? This is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th 4-hour candle of the daily session. And what you're going to do is you're going to look at this previous 4-hour candle, right? So you see this one here? You can see that it's bullish. And then what happens on this candle? Price drives up over 100 pips, right? Same thing here, look. This candle, so the 1, 2, 3, 4th candle closed bullish. So this New York candle, you're going to be looking for buys. What happens? Price goes up 260 pips. Again, London candle closed bullish. New York candle breaks the highs, drives up 280 pips. All right, it's just something a little something for you guys to look at. You're going to be able to capture big moves here, right? So you want to wait for the 1, 2, 3, 4-hour candle of the day to close, the London session 4-hour candle, and then the New York candle. You're going to set either buy or sell stops above that level. Boom, 100 pips, easy. All right, so that's that. I'm gonna go get some sleep. I'm exhausted, man. We'll be up tomorrow early, back at it, ready for some more, because we are trading fiends. We're addicted to the market. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna start preparing for, you know, a heat wave. We have severe weather warnings in Melbourne, so yeah, I've got to like band down the hatches, go to the supermarket, buy like you know, like 10 packs of toilet paper. Guys, do you remember that during COVID? Joseph, you know, during COVID in the UK, did people go crazy over toilet paper? Because here in Australia, people went crazy over toilet paper, bro. Like, the supermarkets were sold out in toilet paper. Like, everybody just raided the toilet paper for some reason. It's like, oh no, the world's gonna end. Let's go buy all the fucking toilet paper. Was it the same in England? There was like a shortage, bro. The supermarkets had to limit the amount of toilet paper that everyone was buying. Only one person could buy one each. Wartime, yeah. Yeah, bro, it was crazy. Like, you could only go in and buy like 1 pack of toilet paper, 1 fucking bottle of water, 1 fucking apple, 1 banana. Oh fuck, it was the same here. It was the same there then. Yeah, it was crazy, man. But anyway, I'm out, man. Nice to I don't think I've seen you in this stream before, Joseph, so nice to meet you, man. I'll be live again tomorrow. I'll be live most weekdays, Monday to Friday, for a little trading session. So yeah, appreciate you guys stopping by. Thank you for the love. You know, and I will catch you tomorrow. I want to go get some sleep. It's 11 p.m. I'm fucking exhausted. See you later, guys.